Hi guys, it's Dee from Sarah Designs. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a holiday card from an old stamp that I've had for a while. It is the, look how cute, little Santa puppy. I think it's from Stampendous. Yeah, Stampendous from 2016. I don't know if they still have this available, guys. Just use what you have. Here's a barcode just in case you want it and want to look for it, whatever. It's called Patient Pup. He's waiting, so cute for Santa. So it's a pretty big stamp. I'm going to stamp that, and then we're going to also use today this stamp here that I got recently from Michael's, I believe it was. Yeah, Recollections it says. And it says Christmas Noel. It was clearance last year. It was $12.99, and then or $12.99 in Canada. US was $9.99, but I got it after. Maybe it was last year or the year before, after clearance. So it was probably like 75% off or so. So it's this little plaid. On the card itself, I used this stuff that I got from Celebrate. I think this was Recollection, or from Michael's. Pretty sure it was. Yeah, it was from Michael's. $14.99, but I think I always go after the holidays. That's the best time to go, 75% off. So I used this on the card. But today, go watch my last haul video. I'm going to try and use this from Crafter's Square from Dollar Tree. So we're going to do that. Here's the card we're attempting to make. So we will see how that turns out. And I'm going to spare you the details of me coloring this. We'll just come back to the video after it's colored. Alright, I just fussy cutted it, did out. As you can see, I was going to do it on my brother's scan and cut, but as you see, it's got all these little jagged lines, and the brother's scan and cut will see each one of these as a cut line, and it'll cut them. And I didn't feel like going around with a pencil. I'm being lazy, and just putting a line around, which I could have, and then just go ahead and erased it. Would have been much quicker than me fussy cutting, but anyway, it is what it is. I also was going to do him in gray, and I did it. I grabbed the brown by mistake because I made Sarah's in brown, and I wanted to do a different one. I always want to make two separate cards, but for some reason, I grabbed the brown. I'm not the best colorer when it comes to alcohol markers, but it is what it is. It's handmade. So that's that part. We're still waiting for this to dry, so we are going to try to schmooze up the little guy a little bit. Going to take, is this white? Where's my glasses? Oops. I don't know. Let's get rid of that first of all. I'm still trying this out. I like it. I just wish it was bigger. No, that's not white. That's silver. Silver and gold. My arm in the way? No. Here's the white. Alright, I have a white jelly roll. We're going to do something with that. We're going to take, we're putting Wink of Stella on it. Or some kind of shimmer. That's happening, right? Alright. Taco's sitting right behind me. So when I sit down, I basically sit on top of her. Alright, we're going to make her little eyeball a little more white. We're going to give him a little shine to his nose. That's all we're doing with that. I'm sorry, Taco. I'm so sorry. Alright, a little bit of Wink of Stella. I'm going to put it on his hat. If you can see, I have a lot of bleed here on the outside of his hat. Here's what it is. It's handmade. Shuck it up, buttercup. And then I want to make his little fur sparkly. So I like a sparkle. I like shimmery things. I like sparkly things. I like glitter. and glitz. Okay. Let that dry. Can you guys see? You can't because it's wet. It's okay. All right, we're going to cut this stuff down real quick. We are going to cut this guy down to be part of our card base, which I have a 110-pound card base here. I like my card bases to be 110 pounds. I like them to be thick. It feels like a sturdier card. I know Hallmark's cards or the name brand ones are not exactly sturdy, but that's what I prefer. For the most part, mostly. Okay. Let's cut this little guy down. So this is going to be our A2 size card, 4.5 by 4.25 by 5.5, and then we are going to cut this guy down to be about 1/4 of an inch smaller than that. So it's going to be 4. Boy, and I want to be strategic in my cutting. So let's get rid of that piece right now. Let's go here. 4. Boy, 5 1/4 it has to be, but I want to get rid of these edges. 5 1/4. So let's just take this to 5, this is still wet. 5 1/2. Then this will be 5 1/4 because I took off some. We got that little piece, but don't tell anybody. Don't tell nobody. Well, no. There. That's that piece. All right. Then we need our... Where'd that white piece go? Shush, 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 shush. I like this little distressy spots. I think that's cool. That'd be cool, right? Then we're going to do green, but I'm thinking I want to do a dark. Oh, no, that might be all right. All right. We're just going to do it just 1/4 of an inch less than that. So that is 4 by 5 1/4. So we're going to do 3 1/4. 3 3/4, not 3 1/4. 3 3/4 by 5, I think. I believe. Yeah, see, you can't even see the plat. I'm going to make it a little smaller. I'm going to go another 1/4 inch smaller all the way around. There. I'm all right with that. And this little guy, all right, let's just, I'm not a big measurer. Just cut off the excess white pieces that we don't want, and then we'll go from there. So you need to be way smaller. He just basically needs to be a background for him. And I'm going to pop him up, I think. All right, let's give you the measurements for this, just in case you want to duplicate it exact. He is 4 1/4 by 3 1/8. 3 2/8. 1, 2, 3 2/8. Okay. That's that. Now let's put it all together. Do we want to put that on the bottom? Let's just glue these two together for now. I usually like to round off my corners, but for this card, not so much. Guys, my lazy butt still hasn't filled the art glitter glue yet. Still hasn't done it. Well, it's the holidays coming, and then I've been sick. That's not good, D. And then I have no other excuse other than that. That's it. That's all you get. I'm being lazy. Stick you in there. We're going to give this a little bit of a white border. The thing with the liquid glue, as you know, is you have a little wiggle room. All right, now do we want to glue him down to there and then stick that up, or do we want to glue that down and stick him up? How did I do it with Sarah's? I think I glue. Oh my gosh, Becky. I messed up already. I wanted to put this down. Why didn't you guys remind me? Jeez. This is from Dollar Tree. I have no idea how it's going to be. Well, the tape they use is pretty good here. To tape it all together. Okie dokie. Am I going the wrong way with it? Yep. Sure enough. I messed up. Okay. Don't tell anybody. Don't tell anyone we did this, but we're going to go just around the green. There, now nobody will know. If you don't tell, I won't tell. Fixed it. There we go. There we go, there we go. Do we like it? Eh, I should have done it around the red. I still can. Who wants this card? With all its mishaps and mistakes. Wonder if that'll make it look darker. Yeah, it does a little bit, but it's okay. I honestly don't know how this washi tape, I guess washi tape's washi tape. I guess it'll hold up all right. That's the good thing with the liquid glue, guys. You can just peel it right up as long as it's not, hasn't been stuck on there for too long. And nobody's the wiser. That actually looks not too bad. All right. Now, do we want to put him up or the whole thing up? I'm going to glue this down. And I'm going to raise him up. Did I forget anything else? I don't think so. Guys, I was looking through my stuff trying to find a, it's, the red's still wet. trying to find a die cut. And I was like, I have all these die cuts that I don't use. I think I'm going to do a thing where I just close my eyes, grab something, and grab something. Yeah, that's what I said. Close my eyes, and whatever we grab, we got to create something with. I hate to keep buying stuff, and then it just sits there. You know how it is. We're more collectors than we are creators at times, I think. Like my friend was helping me move when I moved out of my other house. And she called me a crafting hoarder. The rest of my house is fine. Just all my crafting supplies. I think most of my storage unit was crafting supplies. And I think most of my garage has crafting stuff in it still. I have to go through. And my boyfriend, well, my fiance, I keep saying boyfriend. It's new to me still. He keeps saying, if you haven't used it, we've been here for a couple years now. If you haven't used it, it's time to get rid of it. I'm like, no. It's my crafting stuff. You can't. I might need it someday. But in all honesty, he's right. You think about it. If I haven't used it, I haven't needed it. And chances are, if I needed it, I would have bought another one. A new one already anyway. A second one. All right. I have no idea where I got those dimensions from. Dimensionals, I keep calling them. Foam things from. Chances are, it was Michael's. All right. I couldn't find this guy. You guys are supposed to keep track of this. Okay, I want to do more Wink of Stella because I don't like this wink. I don't think it's winky enough. Maybe this one's better. Do we have two? No, that's the one I just used. Is this one? This one might be more. Yeah, this one's got more sparkles in it. That's it, guys. That's the card for today. I hope y'all liked it. If you do it, show me your version. You don't have to use this stamp. Like I said, use what you have. That's what I plan on doing. I plan on going through. Yeah, I was going to say after we hang up. After we hang up, I'm going to play some more with my stash and see what I come up with. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you do so. Leave a positive comment, no negative comments, or it will be deleted. And by the way, my friend Wanda on here, Wanda, I might email you actually, was telling me about how she donates cards. And I think a lot of other people do that as well. And I need to know, how do you do that? Because I have a crap ton of cards. These are just most recent cards that I've made. But I have so many cards and they just sit in my craft room and I don't know what to do with them. And so let me know, do you sign the inside? Do you leave them blank so people can fill them out themselves and give them out? What do you do with them? You donate them? I need to skinny on this stuff because I hate for them to just sit here and collect dust. I'd like somebody to enjoy them. So let me know what you guys do. But Wanda, like I said, I'll be emailing you, honey. Hope everybody's doing well, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.